What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra and the one and only Whitestone Dome glass for the Tab S8 Ultra. Now, Whitestone sent this over to me. I want to thank them for sending this over and sponsoring and being part of this video. Great company. They make amazing screen protectors for phones. Now they have it for the Tab S8 Ultra. Now, it's not as difficult, or this is a little easier to install. There's no glue, there's no what do you call it, there's no device that you have to put your device in, or a jig or anything like that. There's no steps really. You just kind of pretty much clean it and then just lay this screen protector on there, and it's real easy. You don't have any problems doing that. First thing you want to do is wash your hands, get a level surface, and then you'll be good to go. But let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside of the Whitestone Dome package. Whitestone Dome, they're really good when it comes to sending out stuff to different devices. So I love about them, they got the usual suspects here: dust absorber sticker, microfiber cloth, and then a little wipey so that you can clean your device, and then you'll be good to go. They do have this little guide here, which this is the top and this would be the bottom, because you could see the your volume sliders there that are on this side. So you simply just gonna place that over there, but we'll do that in a second. And then you have your temper glass here that you put on your device, so makes it real easy to install. So let's get into it. All right, so you can go ahead and pick this up. I'll leave some links down in the description from Amazon. I'll leave my Amazon link for you so you can pick it up. It's only 20 bucks. You get one, so don't mess it up. But you simply, what you want to do is you want to shut off your device like so. If you don't know how to shut off your device, check out my video up there. I'll show you how to shut it off, because it does come with that Bixby stuff, which is kind of annoying. All right, once it's off, you're going to take your little wipey here, and then you're simply going to wipe down your device. You want to wipe it down with your little microfiber cloth here. Real simple. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put in my my little guide here, and you want to make sure the volume button's on that side. So go ahead and put this on here, and then I'm going to give it one more wipe with the wet again, just to make sure there's no dust or anything like that, depending where you're at, you know, because I don't have entirely a dust-free environment here in the studio at Android Stud Studios. And then you kind of just want to take this and make sure everything, there's none whatsoever dust on your screen. All right, so you simply want to peel this off. Now, I had a little issue with my, oh, there we go. The sticker is coming off now. You want to make sure you don't touch the sticky part. And I'm going to pull off about half of it and then just lay it in there like so. And you kind of want to make sure that you're even with the camera there. This is easy, but not easy. I guess, yeah. And you just kind of pull it out. So what we want to do is peel this back and make sure that everything is all the way to the end over here, so that everything falls down inside. See, now we got it in. So you got to make sure that you make sure you're all the way to the right. And you see how it's kind of just working its way through the whole screen protector. And that's all you got to do. You just wait for it to kind of go in, and then you just take your microfiber cloth and take out your bubbles and then take off the guide, and then you're good to go. So we'll work some of these bubbles out like that. Take off the white piece. We don't need that anymore. And then you just want to work. So you got a big boy here, so we're going to work these little ones out towards the camera, this one out towards the end, and then you got some over here, and then I'll take care of that big boy here in a minute. You got a little bubble there, take that out, and then we're just gonna kind of ease out this bad boy, and that's it. You are good to go. All right, so it's all on, and I wanted to show you guys something. The edge protection on this is excellent. I did another screen protector and it did not go all the way. This goes completely to the edge. This is pretty impressive, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, this is edge to edge protection. If you want edge to edge protection, this is definitely the screen protector you want to get. Whitestone Dome. This is pretty darn impressive. That is amazing how close to the edge this thing actually gets. All right, so it's installed. I got most of the bubbles out. There's some bubbles here and there, but they'll come out eventually. As you can see, this fingerprint reader works, no problem. But what you could do is you can go into your settings, go into your, I believe it's the display, and you want to turn on touch sensitivity. So make sure you turn on touch sensitivity, or you can go into your biometrics and just do your fingerprint reader over. But I don't really think it's necessary. I think you should be okay. Like mine, it goes right in. So you have no issues right there. So that's gonna do it, man. That's the Whitestone Dome for the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Full coverage, tempered glass, easy to install, kind of. But no, you can get the hang of it. It's just a big boy, so it's kind of hard. It's so used to doing screen protectors like this for a phone. When you got to do it for a tablet like this, it takes a little bit more work. But that's gonna do it, man. Drop down in the link below. Make sure you guys pick this up from Whitestone Dome. Good company, good people. And leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and hit that thumbs up. That's gonna do it, man. I'm out of here. Peace.